Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're going to hop right into the video. In this video, we're going to review some Kinky bulk hair. Again, if you want it even lighter, you can definitely use a 40 volume developer and also maybe some heat to help expedite the lightening process. But I'm happy with the results. This was actually a great purchase, one of the best purchases I've made off Amazon. I would definitely highly recommend this hair. If you're a beginner, it's affordable. I had 4 bundles, you guys, 4 bundles for under $100. So I definitely recommend this hair. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and do a burn test to just further make sure that this hair is 100%. As you may know, real hair actually crumbles into pieces when it's burned, kind of like to ashes. Synthetic hair will melt into like a clump. So as you can see, this is 100% human.